you looking to get started with investing and exploring different brokerage options? Well, in this video, we're going to be taking a look at SoFi Invest, including some of the pros and cons. Hey everyone, this is Kyle from Money at 30, and on this channel we look at personal finance from a millennial perspective, including app and tool reviews like this one. In the past, I've discussed a few beginner investment tools on this channel, including Robinhood and Acorns. I've also talked about the FinTech company SoFi, and specifically their SoFi Money hybrid banking product. But did you know that SoFi also offers a stock trading platform? Let's take a look at what SoFi Invest has to offer and what you should know before signing up. The first thing to know about SoFi Invest is that they do offer both active and automated options. When you head to the SoFi Invest site, you'll probably notice that there are a couple of different investment options. The first is active investing, where you'll select what stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies you want to purchase. The other option is automated investing and is actually a robo-advisor. In either case, you can start your account with as little as $1. Notably, these are separate products, so you'll need to create different accounts for each. Personally, I have yet to give SoFi Invest Automated a try, so we'll be focusing exclusively on active from here on out. Next, one aspect of SoFi Invest that I really like is their stock bits feature, where you can purchase fractional shares of select companies. If your favorite company's stock is a bit too expensive for you to purchase a full share, you might want to check out SoFi Stock Bits. This feature allows you to purchase fractional shares, meaning that you can buy as little as $1 worth of stock. To purchase these stocks, you can select the amount of money you want to spend instead of stating the number of shares. However, keep in mind that this option is only available for select companies, although several biggies like Disney, Amazon, Apple, and more are all there. It's also important to note that SoFi only places orders for fractional shares once per day, so the amount of stock you get for your money might vary between the time you make your selection and when the transaction is completed. Still, this could be a great option for beginning investors. One area where SoFi Invest was lacking when it first launched was that it didn't allow for limit orders. However, this has recently changed. When I first signed up for SoFi Invest, I quickly realized that the platform didn't offer limit orders like Robinhood and others did. That was unfortunate, as these types of orders allow you to set a price you'd be willing to pay for a stock and have the order execute if the stock reaches that target. Luckily, SoFi has recently corrected this, adding limit order capabilities to their desktop and mobile trading. While I'm glad for this development overall, the feature could still use a little bit of work. For one, while Robinhood allows you to set limit orders that expire at the day's end or until canceled, SoFi previously only allowed for same-day expiration, but has seemingly now switched to a good until canceled setup. Additionally, the way you set limit orders in the SoFi app isn't terribly intuitive, as you'll need to tap the price in order to adjust your target. Still, all in all, it's nice to see that SoFi is listening to feedback and incorporating new features into their platform. Finally, if you want yet another way to invest, SoFi actually has their own ETFs available for purchase. In addition to a number of ETFs you can invest in using SoFi, the company has also created some of their own. For example, there's the SoFi Select 500 and SoFi Next 500 ETFs that are currently waiving all fees for an expense ratio of 0.0%. Meanwhile, SoFi has also created a gig economy ETF featuring companies like Uber, Etsy, PayPal, and more. However, this one has an expense ratio of 0.59%. You can find more info on these ETFs and more over at SoFi's site. Hopefully this gives you a better idea of what SoFi Invest is all about, but for much more on this service, I'll have a link to my full written review on Dire News in the description box down below. Also, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button, leave a comment, and be sure to subscribe because we have new videos every week. So thanks again for watching, and I will see you next time here on Money at 30.